Beautiful day for a motorcycle ride. Out here checking out the, I don't know what you'd call it, Milpitas Hills or something. Rarely find myself on this side of San Jose. It's just such a pain to get over here. No fun. It's no fun getting across the city to enjoy these hills, but man, is it great when you get here, coming from the Santa Cruz Mountains. Right now on Highway 130, headed towards the Lick Museum, or Lick Observatory, more like. Actually, I think technically I'm still on Quimby, headed towards 130. Quimby, equally as great as 130. 130 much longer, of course. So yeah, I've done a little video on 130 already, so check that out if you're interested. But that being said, I will check in a little bit once I find some new stuff. Well, we made it to the junction. Still closed. Man, I forgot how much of a barge it is to get out just to here. I've gone through probably half a tank. And you can see it's 31 miles down Mines Road to fill up again. So I should be good. Haven't been down this road yet. See what it's all about. I've heard good things. Passed by another WR just now. Man, squirrels. You guys have the worst squirrels around here. I don't know how many squirrels tried to run across the road right in front of me. Terrible. Yeah, picked up some new levers. Got the ASV F2, I think they are, something like that. I should be posting a video before this one on the install. Start doing a little segment called the Moto Shed, but they feel pretty good. I like them. Man, I don't remember all the burnage out here last time I was here. It must have been. I don't remember there being a fire over here since then, but maybe. Must have just forgot. Also put together a little outdoor stove in my place so I can roast coffee. Been roasting my own coffee lately, but it smokes up the house. So I got a little outdoor stove. That way I can cook out there too, aside from just the barbecue, which I do often. made it to Alameda. One-lane road. More miles of this. Some kind of scout camp. Some pretty nice houses out here. This area was pretty much nothing until now. Nothing but a great road for a motorcycle. Well, there's suddenly quite a few cars on the road. They don't give you a whole lot of space either. Seems like we've reached the cute little farmhouses and wineries. Just crossed over Del Valle. Kind of wanted to go down and explore that one, but I don't know if my ass can handle it. We've reached the end of the road. We're now on Tesla Road. I believe this would be Livermore. Ooh, homegrown hops brewing. The ranch. Some interesting stuff around here. Gas light just turned on. Perfect timing. Alright, I'm thinking it's time to fill her up. And I'll end this one here. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.